So guys real talk, you're probably wasting your money on your window treatment. And what's worse is, hindi mo pala alam. Hi guys, I'm Rafael Marcelo, and I'm your window treatment specialist. And for today's video, I will be showing you why you're probably wasting your money on your home. Watch till the end of the video. First, hindi kino-consider ang ilaw. So ang ending, mainit pa rin at maliwanag pa rin. So what do? We match the window treatment sa ilaw ng space mo. Because remember, the sun hits differently and some windows receive more harsh sunlight than the others. So for example, kung harsh yung sunlight sa master bedroom mo, what we would recommend will be blackout curtains or proper layering. So this is for you to control the light properly, hindi masyadong maliwanag, hindi rin din siya masyadong madilim. Just right. And remember this, hindi lang siya about design. It's all about function first, and then aesthetics after. Second, maling measurements. Too short, mali ang bagsak, kahit mahal, magmumukha siyang cheap. And this happens more often than you think. Kasi ang akala ng iba, simpleng sukat lang yan. Pero hindi lang width at height ang tinitignan. May allowance, may ceiling height, at may spacing. Lahat yan may effect sa final look. That's why we always recommend a proper site visit. Kami na ang mag-measure para sa umpisa pa lang, tama na ang lahat. No guesswork, no trial and error. Third, ito pinaka-common. Hula-hula lang. So guys, story time lang tayo ng konti. So may client kami before, nagpakabit sila ng curtains, walang site visit, sariling sukat lang. Kala niya okay na, pero during the installation, ayun, too short, mali ang bagsak, hindi pa nakokontrol yung ilaw. So ano nangyari? Pinatanggal at nagpagawa ulit. So ang ending, 2 beses gumastos, mas mahal pa tuloy kaysa kung ginawa ng tama sa umpisa pa lang. In the end, hindi ka nakatipid, lalo ka lang napagastos. Diba? Aray ko. If you don't want to waste money, then you better do it the first time. Message us or Viber us. We offer free site visits within Metro Manila and nearby provinces. That's it for today, guys. Another project, another day.